Welcome to Gadget Spares. This JBL Flip 2 has crackling sound problem. Let's have a demo. The reason is this speaker has two drivers inside this, like this, you can see. To fix this, we have to replace the rubber ring. These are the rings. This is first time it's available in India, and in YouTube you will not find these rings anywhere in India except Gadget Spares. To buy this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price I will give in the title and in the description. Long video link is given below how to replace the rubber surround ring, this one. Thanks for watching. Bye.